Is lemon water really beneficial? Lemon water is a common home remedy, with many claiming it can aid digestion, detox and encourage weight loss in our body. Before going into the video, do note that lemon water should not be confused with lemonades and other types of drinks associated with lemon. Healthy lemon water simply contains two ingredients, water and lemon. In this video, we will dive into the beneficial tips of lemon water and how it should be properly consumed. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. 1. Nutritional benefits. Lemons mainly contains vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps fight off inflammation in our body and improve our immunity functions. It also contains flavonoids which fights diseases and boost health. Antioxidants help protect our body cells from damage. Therefore, it will reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, cancer, obesity and diabetes. Besides these two compounds, it does not contain much of other nutrients. Nonetheless, it is still a healthy, low-calorie and low-sugar drink to have on a daily basis. 2. Alkalizing Effect. People commonly suggest that consuming lemon water is alkalizing to our body. However, this is not really true, as what an individual consumes does not actually have a direct effect on your blood and cells' acidity level. It only influences the overall pH of a person's body temporarily. 3. Detoxifying Effect. There is no evidence that lemon water is more superior to plain water in terms of the detoxifying effect on our body. Generally, plain water will also help remove waste and toxins via urine and bowel movement. 4. Weight loss. Lemon water contains a type of fiber called pectin. This helps to suppress appetite. However, do note that the fiber content is very little, therefore, it really does not help in terms of weight loss specifically. Nonetheless, if you are consuming more lemon water as a replacement to sugary drinks, this will effectively aid your weight loss efforts. The best measure to weight and fat loss will still be to track your calories. 5. Help keep yourself hydrated. If you happen to enjoy the taste of lemon water, then you are also reaping the benefits of drinking plain water. Drinking plain water helps optimize your mood and brain functions, aids your digestion and will also improve your exercise performance. As lemon water contains citrate, it will also help prevent kidney stones. Insufficient water intake will also cause the formation of kidney stones. 6. Boost focus and memory. Having plain or lemon water will boost focus. However, there is no evidence that it can increase intelligence. 7. Know how to drink lemon water. Many are not aware that lemon water can damage the tooth enamel over time, making one's teeth prone to cavities. Therefore, a solution to this will be to drink it through a straw and then rinsing our mouth with water after drinking. It is also advisable to avoid brushing teeth after drinking lemon water. This is due to the fact that our tooth is in an acid-softened state straight after brushing. In terms of temperature, some say that drinking it cold helps burn extra calories while some say that drinking it hot will aid digestion. Nonetheless, it does not really matter if you consume it cold or hot, as there is not much telling difference. Is lemon water really beneficial? After sharing the above benefits in this video earlier, you will realize that lemon water will help supplement our daily vitamin C intake. However, it is not commendably comparable to consuming other fruits and vegetables together and drinking plenty of plain water consistently. Therefore, the nutritional benefits are insignificant. Nonetheless, if you prefer having it compared to plain water, or simply enjoy drinking it, you will still reap some of the benefits mentioned earlier. Hope you have found the quick tips in this video useful. Thank you for watching.